It may not be a good time to be an Indian techie in America. Correction, it may not be a good time to be a non-American in Trump's America. India, the largest exporter of IT workforce to the U.S., could be jolted if the H-1B visa bill, which was tabled in the House of Representatives today, becomes a law. The country's biggest IT companies, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, and others, that enjoy significant cost advantages by sending Indian engineers to the U.S., are likely to be hit if the minimum salary cap for H-1B visas is raised to $130,000 from its current $60,000. In anticipation of the eventuality, India's top 4 IT company stocks plunged on the Bombay Stock Exchange today. Mashable India reached out to these companies but they declined comment. Meanwhile, NASSCOM, the industry body for software and services companies, was not pleased with the development. The bill does not treat all IT service companies with H-1B visa holders equally, and the provisions are biased against H-1B dependent companies, it said in a statement. The bill does nothing to address the underlying shortage of STEM-skilled workers, which has led all companies to have a calibrated strategy of hiring locally and bridging the skills gap by bringing skilled workers on non-immigrant visas including H-1Bs, it added. India happens to be the largest receiver of H-1B visas in the world. The U.S. issued more than 1 million visas to Indians in 2016, which accounted for 70% of all H-1B visas issued worldwide, according to news reports. IT analysts reckon that the new law, if and when it passes, will have far-reaching implications not only on Indian companies but on the U.S. economy as well, since most US-based Fortune 500 organizations are deeply invested and dependent on Indian IT services providers. Skilled foreign workers who come to work in the U.S. by the route of H-1B visas don't just directly supplement the U.S. IT industry with specialized skill sets, they also contribute indirectly to other industries in the U.S. Often H-1B workers bring their families along and thereby bring additional business for other industries like real estate, banking, hospitality to name a few. The effects of this announcement will impact the GDP and the overall business economy and growth of U.S., says Sanchit Virgagia, chief analyst at Greyhound Research. While the final outcome of the bill is yet to be known, NASSCOM said it will continue to engage with the U.S. administration and legislators both directly and through the government of India. The focus would be on highlighting the value contribution of India's IT sector as a net creator of jobs in the U.S. Fun fact, the CEOs of both Microsoft and Google are of Indian origin.